Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. First, make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. Then navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the Content tab on the left-hand side menu and click on it. This will show you a list of all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to add a thumbnail to and click on it. This will take you to the video details page. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section labeled Thumbnail on the right side. YouTube automatically generates a few thumbnail options from your video, but to add your custom thumbnail, click on the Upload Thumbnail button. Now, select the image file from your computer. Remember, your thumbnail should be 1280 and 720 pixels for the best results, and it must be under 2 MB in size. YouTube accepts all these files. After selecting your file, click Open to upload it. You'll see your new thumbnail appear in the thumbnail section. If you're happy with how it looks, just scroll up to the top of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. Custom thumbnails can significantly impact your video's click-through rate, so take the time to create something eye-catching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.